You think your life is hard, bad Wi-Fi, long queues, a job you don't like. Now imagine you were born 3,000 years ago. No hospitals, no painkillers, no running water, no law to protect you. Your entire life would look completely different depending on one single thing: where you were born. Blott is going to put you there, in all four. Pay attention. You were born in ancient Egypt, around 1300 BC. The first thing you need to know is this: Egypt is not what you think it is. Yes, the pyramids exist, but you will never go inside one. You will spend your entire life building them. 90% of Egyptians were farmers or laborers. You are almost certainly one of them. You wake up before sunrise every single day. You work until you cannot stand. Your diet is bread, beer, and onions. That is most of it. But here is what surprises most people about Egypt. Women in ancient Egypt had more rights than women anywhere else in the ancient world. They could own property, divorce their husbands, run businesses, and testify in court. In the same era, women in other civilizations owned nothing and decided nothing. But if you got sick in Egypt, you were in serious trouble. Egyptian doctors were the best in the ancient world, but their treatments included rubbing dead mice on your head, drinking crocodile fat, and placing animal dung on open wounds. And you had no choice but to trust them. Your life expectancy in ancient Egypt, 35 years. You were born in ancient Rome, around 100 AD. Rome is the most powerful civilization on Earth right now, and that makes it one of the most dangerous places to be born poor. If you are born into a wealthy Roman family, your life is extraordinary. Running water in your home, public baths, fine food, theatre, gladiator games for entertainment. But 95% of Rome was not wealthy, and for them, life was something else entirely. You lived in a 6-story wooden apartment building with no running water, no toilet, and no fire safety. Rome burned constantly. Entire neighborhoods disappeared overnight. But Rome gave you something no other civilization had yet given the world. Laws, written laws that applied to every citizen equally. For the first time in history, you had rights. You could defend yourself in court. You could not be punished without a trial, unless you were a slave. Then none of that applied to you. 1 in 3 people in Rome was a slave. Your life expectancy in ancient Rome, 25 years. You were born in ancient Greece, around 450 BC. Greece is where democracy was born, where philosophy was born, where the Olympics were born. It sounds like the best place to be born in the ancient world. It was not. Democracy in ancient Greece only applied to free adult men who were born in that city. Women in Greece had almost no rights. They could not vote, own property, or leave the house without permission. If you were born a girl in ancient Greece, your father decided who you married. You had no say. But if you were born a free man in Athens, you lived in one of the most intellectually alive places in human history. Socrates was walking those streets. Plato was teaching. Aristotle was thinking thoughts that still shape your world today. But Socrates was executed for asking too many questions. In ancient Greece, even the smartest man in the room was not safe. Your life expectancy in ancient Greece, 28 years. You were born in ancient China, around 200 BC, during the Han Dynasty. China, at this point, is the most organized civilization on Earth. They already have paper, ink, a postal system, a civil service, a national census. While the rest of the world was still figuring out basic governance, China was already running a bureaucracy. But order in ancient China came at an extreme cost. The emperor was not just a ruler. He was considered the son of heaven. His word was absolute. His decisions could not be questioned. If you offended the emperor, not just you, but your entire family could be executed. Loyalty was not optional. It was survival. But China also gave its people something remarkable, a path out of poverty through education. The imperial examination system meant that any man, regardless of how poor his family was, could take an exam and earn a government position. This was revolutionary. Nowhere else on Earth was this possible. Your life expectancy in ancient China, 30 years. 4 civilizations, 4 completely different lives. Egypt gave women freedom but killed you with bad medicine. Rome gave you laws, but 1 in 3 of you was a slave. Greece gave you democracy and philosophy, but only if you were the right gender, born in the right city, to the right family. China gave you order and opportunity, but one wrong word could end your entire bloodline. None of them were good. All of them were extraordinary. And in all four of them, the average human life was over before you reached 40. You are reading this right now. In the future, with clean water, medicine, and more food than any ancient human could have imagined. And you still think your life is hard. Blott knows.